How do FEMA and the Income Tax Department determine a resident Indian? And what is the difference between the two? We welcome our tax expert Mr. Gopal to give a nuanced view on this subject.
Actually, both are same only. So even under the FEMA also, the period of stay only decides the residential status. Only aspect is you don't have another subcategory called resident, but not ordinary resident status is not there in FEMA. So that is the only difference. And as far as FEMA is concerned, the applicability will be in that particular year. So because for the transaction, when, for example, you are a resident or non-resident, based on the number of days stay, they will decide whether you are eligible for an NRO or an NRE account. For example, Gopal Krishna Raju, can I go and open a NRO account? I cannot open because I'm not a non-resident, because I have to prove my residential status there. So for banking operation, the logic is different. And so it is like the Shankar movie, Onion, and in Hindi, Aparichitudu, I mean, that's a different name. I don't understand the name there in Hindi. So there, the hero will take a different avatar. So one time he will be Onion, another time he will be Remo, another time he will be a bad guy and a lover boy. So like that, he will take different avatar. So like that, your residential status will be same, but the logic for FEMA is different. The logic for income tax is different. So that is why they have kept both the same. So when you are in home, don't think about office. When you are in office, don't think about home. So when you are doing bank transaction, don't bother about taxation. When you are computing your tax computation, then only you think about your income tax status. Don't bother about the bank transaction. So you have to be vigilant, but not think simultaneously both the provisions.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.